Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Smashburger, Burgers and Shakes app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Smashburger app is designed to make it faster and easier to order your favorite burgers, crispy fries, and hand-spun shakes straight from your phone. Available on both iOS and Android, the app lets users browse the full Smashburger menu, customize their meals, and place pickup or delivery orders at nearby locations. Its goal is to simplify the ordering process while rewarding customers through exclusive offers and loyalty points. The standout feature of the app is the SmashRewards Program. Every purchase you make earns points that can be redeemed for free menu items, discounts, and birthday rewards. The app also sends personalized deals, notifies you about new menu items, and allows you to reorder your favorites with just one tap. You can also save multiple payment methods, making checkout fast and secure. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise the app's clean design, smooth navigation, and accurate order tracking. The SmashRewards system is particularly appreciated for its ease of use and frequent discounts. However, some users report occasional login issues or errors when applying rewards during checkout. Delivery time and accuracy may also vary depending on location and partner services. In summary, the Smashburger, Burgers and Shakes app may be worth using if you're a frequent Smashburger customer who wants to skip the line, earn loyalty rewards, and enjoy convenient ordering. However, if you only visit occasionally or prefer in-person ordering, you may not take full advantage of the app's reward benefits. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.